Hey everybody, it's Sharon from Let's Get Down to Business Bootcamp. What the heck time is it? You know, well today we're actually going to do a twofer. That's right, we're going to talk about two agreements today. And what we're going to talk about is a model release and a testimonial release. They're very similar. A model release is used if you're using photo or video of someone, and a testimonial release is used if you're using somebody's review. Now, if you look on any websites these days, particularly websites of photographers or of venues or of people who sell products, they're going to have testimonials or examples of their work. It might be a portfolio of people they've taken pictures of, or photos at a wedding venue where you have lots of people in the image, maybe the married couple, the bride and groom, and you want to be able to use their photo. And if you're a business owner and you sell products, you want testimonials with or without photos from people who have used your products and given you great reviews. Well, you really shouldn't just use someone's picture or their words without their permission, because those are protected rights of the person who gave them, of the person who wrote the testimonial, of the person who is in the photo. So what do you do so that you don't get in trouble and you can keep using those photos or videos or testimonials, whether it's on the web or in marketing materials or an email campaign? You need a release where the person who's the subject of the picture or who wrote the release gives you their permission in a way that covers all the uses that you might need now or later. And that way, they're not going to be able to come back 6 months from now and say, I never said you could use it, because people have short memories. And if they forget that they said you could use it, and then they get upset, it's a problem. And an important note here, if you ever want to use pictures of a child, and a child I'm defining as anyone under the age of 18 if you are in the United States, and many nations in Western Europe and around the world, 18 is the minimum age to agree to something from a legal perspective. If you've got a child in the photo or video, you must get a model release signed by the parent. Because think about it, if you've got kids or you've got friends who've got kids, how would you or those kids' parents feel if all of a sudden their photos showed up on the website and the parent never knew and never agreed? So you want to make sure that you cover your bases. They're short, they're not that hard, they're not that complicated, they're not that expensive to have, but it really can protect you from a lot of unhappy people later on. So I hope you've learned a little bit of something about model releases and testimonial releases, and I'll see you next time for another episode of What the Heck? Have a great day.